Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Turn the Audi Q3 ignition to accessory or start the engine before pairing. This powers the MMI and prevents interruptions during setup. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings and set it to discoverable mode. Keep your phone unlocked and on the Bluetooth screen during the process. Ensure the phone has no active call and battery is above 20% for stability. Disable any existing car connections on other devices to avoid automatic conflicts. Have your phone contacts permission ready when the MMI requests access. Go to the MMI main menu, then select telephone or phone to start pairing. Use the central dial or touch display to access Bluetooth settings within the telephone menu. Choose Search for New Device and pick your phone name from the list. Wait 30 seconds while the MMI and phone exchange pairing information. Confirm the 6-digit PIN on both the Audi MMI and your phone when prompted. Accept all permission prompts for contacts and call history to enable full hands-free functionality. After pairing, set the device profile to phone and media to allow calls and music playback. The MMI will show the device as connected and list signal strength and battery percentage. Test by calling a contact and playing a music track to verify audio routing and microphone performance. If sound plays through the car, your connection is complete. If pairing fails, delete old devices, reboot phone, and retry the pairing steps. For persistent errors, consult Audi Q3 manual or visit a dealer for MMI software updates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.